Did you know that a new megaraptor has just been discovered in Argentina? And this is one of the most complete megaraptor fossils ever found. And there's a crocodilian bone still lodged in its mouth. This is raptor casali. It is a newly discovered species that lived 66 to 70 million years ago, right at the end of the Cretaceous period. We are talking about a 7-meter long predator with huge claws. It was great at grabbing and slashing prey. And here's why this discovery matters, although generally discovering new dinosaur fossils is always cool. Megaraptor fossils are usually found in bits and pieces, fragments that hint at the animals, but they don't tell us that much. Now, this specimen preserves 20% of the skeleton: skull fragments, jaws, ribs, limbs, and tail vertebrae. For megaraptors, that is extraordinary. It's enough to actually understand how these predators lived, how they hunted. The crocodilian bone wedged between its jaws suggests that this might well have been its last meal. Obviously, we can't prove it definitively, but the evidence is compelling. A 70-million-year-old snapshot of what this predator might have been eating. Now, what's really interesting is how different megaraptors were from their North American counterpart T-Rex. While Tyrannosaurus had a really big head and very small arms, megaraptors had long snouts and powerful arms, and they used those arms to actively capture their prey. Two completely different evolutionary paths, but with the same outcome: dominating their respective food chains. Raptor was one of the last megaraptors, living right before the end of the age of the dinosaurs. Now, this fossil fills in part of the chapter of their evolutionary history in South America, and it gives us rare insight into the food webs during the Cretaceous period. 70 million year old, 70 million, a 70 million year old snapshot, a 70-year-old, and it gives us rare